I would just say that, clearly we have a disagreement on how business should be conducted on the House floor, specifically as it relates to proxy voting and whether or not we can be here physically doing the job. And clearly when we're at home in our districts, we're finding other ways to get work done, to communicate with constituents, to communicate with people all around the nation. And, using technology, it's definitely helped the ability for us to do it. But it's not the same thing as when we're here. And the other side of that, because one piece of it is the ability to be here. And clearly we have the ability to be here. There are flights. If somebody's not comfortable flying, they used to take horse and buggy. They didn't have planes, and yet they found a way to get here in tougher times. But then you look at the message that we're trying to send. And yes, there are some places that you don't have traffic on the road because their officials have chosen not to open as aggressively as others, using safety protocols. No one is talking about compromising safety, but there are many states that have shown how to safely reopen on a much wider scale, where you can get people back out doing the things that they want to do again. And that's the real issue, is that you're watching aspects of the private sector. You're even watching other levels of government, large cities, large states that are reopening and doing it successfully, not overrunning their hospitals. Most of our hospitals are telling us they want more patients. They want the people that normally would be getting their checkups and immunizations and even hip replacements and things that are part of their life cycle, of their quality of life and their ability to live, with cancer treatments and things like that that aren't being done. There are people dying right now because they're not being tended to. In my home parish, I actually talked to my coroner about this. He took a 6-week period, just 2 weeks ago, take a 6-week period and take that exact 6-week period a year ago. And there was a 42% increase in non-COVID related deaths just in my home parish. This year, more, 42% increase, because people aren't going out, weren't going to the doctor. If they had chest pains, they weren't going to a doctor because the doctor's office is closed where they could catch it, and so they were dying in their house. These are real numbers from the coroner. I mean, there is a problem that's created by not allowing people to go about their lives again in a safe way. And so we ought to be leading the way to show people how to do it. And again, we've had votes here on the House floor before proxy voting in the midst of this pandemic, and it went very smoothly. And if there's better ways we can find to do it, we'll do it. But we followed all the protocols of the attending physician. I didn't hear of any members complaining about that process. Everybody went about it their own way, practicing the social distancing that we all encourage. And yet, we're not doing that on a consistent basis, and that doesn't send the right message. And so as the gentleman reworks the schedule, I hope it's done soon, but I hope it takes into account the fact that it is important for us to show the rest of the country that we can be here doing our job. Yes, there are things that we're going to do remotely. There are things we always do remotely. If we're on a 3-week schedule in D.C. and 1 week back home in our districts, it's important that we go back home to stay in touch with the people who actually elect us, the people that make this country work, so that we can come back here and represent them better. But we do have to come back here and do the work. You can't phone it in sometimes. You can't do that remotely. There are certain parts of our job where we actually have to be here. In the rough and tumble of a legislative process, things change on the fly. And if you're back home or going to some other event somewhere else because you choose not to come here, it's kind of hard to say you gave your proxy to somebody and then things change 2 minutes before a vote. It's going to be hard for that person to know how to change their vote by proxy when they're not here. And so there are flaws in that don't need to be there, because we've proven we can be here. And I just hope that that's taken into account when the new schedule is being worked out, and again, hopefully released as soon as possible, so that as other people and industries and groups are starting to show how they're going to come back safely, we can do the same thing. Not last. Clearly, we're not going to be first now, but hopefully, as other people are making those decisions, we can be part of that, not at the tail end of it. And I would yield.